Glow filter. The glow filter can be found here on the filters, glow and glow. So glow, it just adds a basic glow to an object. The glow filter contains a few parameters that we can adjust. We have the radius, the opacity, threshold, softness, keep to white, 360-degree aware, and mix. So radius, this controls the total amount or the glow itself. At 10, so we have a minimal glow or very soft glow. Then if we increase that, we will have this result. 100 is the maximum amount. And then opacity, this one controls the opacity of the glow itself. You will notice that once we have set the radius to 100, our text looks a bit blurred. To counteract or to solve that issue, we adjust this opacity to make the glow much more visible. So let's take a look actually. So we have this threshold. This controls the luminance of the start of the glow. So at 0.75, we have this kind of look. So let's try to increase that. You notice that at 1, it tapers down the glow itself. Yet, if we reduce this one, almost the same as the default. So softness is just the softness of the glow itself. So 0, of course, there's no glow. And yet, at 1, almost the same as the default. As you can see, we are using a white color or color white on our text. However, what if we change the color of our text? Let's change it to red. Even though we have the same parameters from earlier, there is no glow at all. So why is that? So let's first reset this one. Let's increase the radius. Still, there's no result, right? The solution to this is to adjust the threshold just like this. So mix controls the percentage between the blending of the glow filter and the layer itself. Flip to white, I don't usually use this one actually. And also at the same time with 360-degree aware. What the most important thing is the threshold. When the color is not white, you adjust this first. And then radius to control the glow of your layer. So that's how to use the glow filter in Apple Motion.